Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Google Chrome help step keep opening. So first of all, click this three dot setting, click about Chrome and check Chrome update. Now click relaunch. Again open setting, search engine, change Google to Bing, open Google Chrome, you can see Bing web page. Just click the three dot, click setting, search engine, change Bing to Google again. Now cut this, again open Google Chrome, now click, now open File Explorer, click this PC, click operating system and search for Google Chrome, click program files in 26, click Google, now click Chrome application. As you can see Chrome, right click, rename Google Chrome to Chrome 1 and press enter. Click show more option, send to, click create desktop shortcut. Now close this and open Chrome from shortcut. Now again open File Explorer, change the name to Chrome, press enter.